I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, and welcome back to another episode of Kip Does Stuff. As a woodworker and a crafter, I get a lot of requests, and today's request is kind of dumb, but it's kind of par for the course of requests I get. Someone's got this little basket, and they want to be able to store papers in it. These type of papers folded this direction, but stored this way. See how it tips over? They can't store them this way, because that would be wrong. They have to store them this way. So they want me to do something to this basket to keep it tipping over. My idea was to glue it to the tabletop so it would fall over. But they want it portable, so they can take their garbage everywhere. So, I suggested just building a whole new thing that's taller and would hold them this way. That's a bad idea too, so we're going to try to improve the base and make something that goes all the way around to hold it so that it can still be taken out of that, because I can't attach anything to this because it costs $1. Let's see what we can make. Okay, with safety glasses on and hearing protection installed in my very fragile ears, we'll start by cutting a base out of some crappy old plywood. Okay, next we're going to rip this scrap 2x4 to 1 3/4 inches. Okay, next we reset the saw height and distance from the fence. Cut a couple of thin strips. Okay, over to the radio arm saw, we'll do a couple cuts here for length. Okay, now we'll cut the side pieces, about 10 1/4 inches. And now 2 end pieces. Okay, after a little light sanding, I'm ready to glue this sucker together. Let's just use a little Type Bond 2 premium wood glue. Okay, now we'll just set this aside and let it dry. And I'm going to put a decorative edge on the top side of this base piece. Okay, when I said decorative edge, about as fancy as I'm ever going to get is a 1/4 inch round over. So let's round this over. Okay, so got the decorative edge put on this thing, got a little sanding done on it, which is kind of an inside joke to me. The person I was making this for wouldn't notice if it had decorative edge on it or if it was on fire. So let's now put glue on this and attach it to the base. And let's flip this over and try to get it centered. Let's do it this way. That feels good enough. Slide it over the edge and apply a clamp here. Boy, I hope we got enough clamps on there. Okay, it's been an hour or so, so we'll take some of these many clamps off of here. I think I was able to get a dozen on it. Okay, and that's what we've ended up with, a little box, or stand actually, that this will sit in, giving it a wider base so as to not let it fall over when some crazy person puts too much paper in it. Even though this would have worked much better. Thanks for watching.